So in the earlier video, I had taught you about the VSEPR theory, that is the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Repulsive forces decreases sharply with the increasing angle between the electron pairs. They are strong at 90 degree, weaker at 120 degree, and weakest at 180 degree. So as I told you in the last video that VSEPR theory, that is according to the VSEPR theory, the bonded electrons or the bonded atoms uh, arrange themselves around the central atom as far as possible. So based on that theory, here is a table for you which is explaining the number of bonded pairs and what will be the shape of the molecule according to the number of the bonded pairs around the central atom. So if the number of electron pairs around a central atom, this table represents, in the first column you are seeing that the number of electron pairs around the central atom. Okay, so this is 2 3 are the number of pair of electrons present around the central atom. Arrangement of the electron pairs means how they are arranged around the central atom. Then the molecular geometry, that what will be that geometry will be. The bond angles means the what will be the angle between those bonds formed around the central atom, and example for it. So this is the table for the different kinds of molecules which are formed according to the VSEPR theory. Now if the number of electron pairs are 2, okay, so this is how it will be represented in 3 dimension, and the geometry will be linear geometry, and the bond angle among them will be 180 degree, as we know that the minimum repulsion will be when these atoms will arrange themselves at an angle of 180 degree. So it will feel the minimum repulsion in this case. That is why they have arranged themselves in this way. Okay, the example for this kind of molecule is BeF2 and BeCl2. Next is your, if the number of electron pairs around the central atom is 3. So if the number of electron pairs in this is 3, then in that case this is will be the arrangement of the electron pairs, and the geometry will be trigonal. The angle between them will be 120 degree, and the molecule for which have this kind of properties BF3 and AlCl3. Similarly, if it will have 4 electron pairs, then it will have this kind of arrangement, and this arrangement is known as the tetrahedral geometry. The angle between a tetrahedral geometry, or you can say the tetrahedral angle, is equal to 109.5 degrees, and the example for it is methane and SiF4. These are the example for this tetrahedral geometry of the molecules having the tetrahedral geometry. So if the electron pairs are 5, then in that case this will be the arrangement, and this arrangement is known as the trigonal bipyramidal. The 3 angles, there will be 3 angles of 120 degree, means this angle, and this angle, means ABB this angle, then this ABB this angle, and this angle will be of 120 degree, and these 2 angles which are present above and below the plane will be of 90 degree. Okay, so 2 angles will be of 90 degree and 3 angles will be of 120 degree, and the example for this is PF5 and SbCl5. Okay, now if the number of electron pairs are 6, then the arrangement of the electron pairs will be like this, and this arrangement is known as the octahedral geometry, and in this case all the angles will be of 90 degree, and the example for it is SF6 and TeF6. Now this is your octahedral geometry, it is your pentagonal bipyramidal geometry, which will have 7 pair of electrons, but this is not in your course, so I am not going to explain you this. You have to only study up to 6 number of electron pairs around the central atom. Okay, so according to the VSEPR theory, if all the bonded atoms around the central atom is same, and in that all the atoms are bonded to it, means there are no lone pairs present around the central atom, then in that cases these kind of molecules are formed. But when the lone pair of electrons are present in any molecule, then in that case the case is different for this. So this table is only for those molecules which have only bonded pair of electrons, not the lone pair of electrons.